All right, what's going on? Body, got the headphones in for Clubhouse, and I got Zoom going for here. Um, cool. It just popped up. Make sure I don't have any feedback as well. Went ahead and made a new house on Clubhouse. One second, guys. Trying to clear something off the computer real quick. All right, cool. So let me mute out from YouTube. All right, cool. So we're good to go. Recording live on YouTube. Let everybody know in the Telegram group that I am on Zoom. All right. So it's been a minute, but I'm back. Wanted to get back to doing some rooms like this. Work schedule is about to change, going from nights to days. Pretty excited about that. Move the camera up. Yep, pretty excited about that. Um, so with my work schedule changing, it's more than likely I'll be hosting rooms either late at night or early in the morning before I go to work, before bed, or if I have an off day. So, um, let's get to it. Probably won't be on here long anyway, because the brother's tired. But looking at the pound yen, um, overall, bigger picture, I noticed a couple of things trading GJ. Um, got a huge range on the daily. All right. Excuse me. Okay, yep. So this is the range we was in, and overall trend, I can see definitely bullish. And then when we got up here, we kind of transitioned to bearish. Market created lower highs, lower lows. And then when it came down to this area here, 178 level, it wicked and shot back up. We got consolidation here, little zone that's I have marked up on the 4 hour, and it'll playing off. We'll I'll talk about that in a second. 1 second, guys. All right. So yep, had a chance to do a little buy up, pull back for a day, finally continued, and it finally retested this area right here. So if I move my zone down, this is just the daily. Yep, retested that area. So now I would love to buy it again, but excuse me, I never got the break above close and retest. And for those that are in Clubhouse, it's the link posted at the top. All right, so didn't get me the break above close. Didn't get my pullback and retest to continue to buy. So this scenario will come later in the future that we'll prepare for. All right, so let's go down to the 4 hour. Um, Personally, I've been having to kind of adjust some of my trades. And what I mean by adjust is I like to swing trade, but if the market, let's say, gives me, 342 pips, and I see the market is pulling back, I'm going to take that off the table. So I'll go ahead and secure 50 to 75. Uh, Wait for the market to pull back, and then continue to get in. So intraday swing trade, um, really getting back to using these alert systems on MT4 and investing.com, letting the alerts go off to let me know, excuse me, when it's time to get in and where we are in the market. So set limit orders, set stop orders, and just kind of go from there. So kind of let's talk about what we're doing right now. So on the hour, right? I was bullish on GJ, right? We ran up from 180.829, 180.89, all the way up for a couple of days, October 30th till, as you can see, where we are, November 9th, we're up here. So I can kind of see where we went from bearish transition, pull back, back bearish, transition, back drop. We retested previous structure to the left here. So this was my significant structural areas that I wanted to look for. Now, I typically have other areas drawn on here, but I went in and took them off, but I'm going to put them on and just make it white. So, what are some things that you notice? You got consolidation slash transitioning. Here's the breakout. Here's the retest once, and then price never came back there. So that'll be a future trade. But yeah, going on right here, was able to catch some of this buy from last week going into this week, and did pretty good with that. Now, when we got to up here, this was really interesting because on the 4 hour, I have the zone marked off, as you can see how, man, my toe hurts. 1 second. You see how this area held off not only as resistance. So just remember, like, I'm a really big advocate of the following things: market structure, support and resistance, break and retest, right? So market structure, support and resistance, break and retest. So this area right here was not only a nice supply zone. There's also an advanced teacup. I actually learned it from when I was in IM Academy. Um, Bullish candle, bearish candle, lower low, that consecutive lower low candles, lower high, lower low candles. Price pull comes back to here. So I'll draw the cup out for you guys so you all can see. But this was the first cup. It completes the cup and then eventually comes all the way back around, retest 4, 8, 12, and then it drops, comes back and retest, and then it drops. So price gets there, couldn't really necessarily look for buys anymore. I changed my bias to now, all right, time to go back down, free, just flowing with the market and how the market is flowing. So that's what I like to do, is to just go with who's in control. If it's time to buy, we buy. If it's time to sell, we sell. All right. So got that. Got in my trades here. This was my area of interest right there. And then I'll break it down to let's go down to the hour time frame. All right, so you see the white zone. Um, my initial, like I said, I was bullish for, been bullish quite some time. So the white area represents a high. Well, this was a lower high. So let me use arrows. This lower high. Um, Another lower high. Another lower high. And this check mark was the high. So see the market going down. When it got to here, we broke above and created a higher high. Pull back and retest it. went up a little bit, retested, and then it shot up. But remember that zone we talked about, right? That was on the 4 hour and the hour. So it was drawn on the 4 hour, I can see it on the hour. Vice versa, if I draw it on the hour, I can see it on the 4 hour and the daily, so on and so forth. Just remember, it's just less candles the higher the time frame that you go up. So, with that being said, I was like, all right, possible buy. And I mean, it did. I did get caught up in just trying to get this push back down, but he pulled back for a couple of pips and then got the drop. So, took the sell. Still in it, honestly. I'm just waiting for it to kind of go back, go back down as well. Moving averages, 50 moving averages above it. So it's just waiting to see how that plays out. And this is my area that I'm looking to watch to see if we do get a reaction off of this zone down here. So we went from bullish, we did a quick little transition to bearish, back to bullish because look, we look at what we retested all the way over here. Boom. Now that's not as clean, right? But look, when you go to the 4 hour, look at how clean that is. Very, very clean. So that's why I'm kind of just waiting to see how we react. And I'm gonna go ahead and just move one of these up. And I'm gonna check momentum. I think we're going to end up dropping for the day, but that's just me. So I'm gonna trust that the setups for sure. But yeah, so I saw that, caught that nice little buy. So now it's we're catching the sale. So this is the price of interest. This is what I put in the group chat. That's the area that, if we do get a break, close below, retest, boom, we're taking it right back down. If it just gets a strong, clean break, boom, we'll take it down. Um, as long as everybody's following their trading plan and rules, you should be okay. I'm definitely following mine. Um, just wait. I mean, you probably could get another retest. Right now, it's consolidating, so don't necessarily have a trade when I see this. I'm gonna just end up waiting. But yep. So this weekend, I'll be journaling some of the previous days and why did I place my areas here, or why did I draw some zones at particular prices? What did I see? What was my thought process behind it? What was the outcome? And just kind of talk about just the market in general. But definitely was a lot of opportunity as well. Sorry, I got to get signed into my account. There we go. All right. So, yeah, that's what I saw. Um, just a little synopsis or recap of what I saw. Again, I'll be doing these calls um, pretty often, maybe for about 30 minutes, max an hour. I do plan on having other people on the call, so they'll just be prepared to hear others' analysis and things like that. So, not necessarily giving trade ideas out. I'm just letting you guys follow what I do and what helps me. And from there, you can kind of make your own decision on whether you're going to take a trade or not. But if you don't have a trading plan, if you don't have rules, my rule is you can't take the trade. But it's on you, everybody's different. Um, I'm not giving financial advice. Again, this is education purposes only. as well. So I'm looking forward to, doing more things like this with you guys and really growing the community back. I do have a Discord, so there are plenty different ways that you can reach out to me. If you're watching this YouTube, I'll put the different ways you can reach out to me and follow, DM if you have questions. If you want to set up like a one-on-one call, and these are some things that you're struggling with, definitely shoot me a message. We'll set up a call and we could kind of just go from there. So I'm gonna stop share really quick. I'm gonna share my whiteboard with you guys. So I'm gonna share the whiteboard as soon as it gets pulled up. Um, these are the ways that you can contact me. Clubhouse, Telegram, Instagram. These are the best ways to contact me as well. Looks like my sharing capabilities is running a little slow. I don't know if I need to get my computer looked at or what. Yeah, it's moving a little slow. So if you gotta, oh, there's the whiteboard. Okay, so Instagram is going to be Telegram. Is going to be at Dapperman Trade Clubhouse to join the Dapper Trade House. Um, you should see the same picture, but it's going to be the same as Instagram. All right. So those are the ways that you can get in contact with me. I do have a Telegram group. Uh, Probably will open it up to the public. I do have just one request. When you do join the Telegram group, be active, right? Post your charts, ask questions, share what you're looking at. You'll see different people sharing the charts, myself and a couple of others. Um, I'll post when we're going live on Clubhouse. I'll post, the recording is up on YouTube on the channel if you follow the page. But yeah, talk about what you're seeing, get feedback. That way you're not by yourself. Just want to create a community Now, this is not the only community that I am a part of. So this is my personal community. Um, if you're on Clubhouse, you probably see me talking the Forex Traders Lounge and Currency Commodities Cafe. This is that group chat where we discuss different things in the market and what we see. We have rooms Monday through Friday, typically starting around 8 a.m. For New York session. We also have a session for Asian slash Sydney and sometimes London. So, you can follow, uh, join the clubhouses, and, connect with other traders from around the world. So these are the best ways to get in contact with me. If you need this link, I'll have to send this to you. I won't put this out just yet, but again, if you want access to the WTO Trade Talk community, where it's me and other fellow traders as well, definitely shoot me a message. Let's connect. Let's talk about things that you struggle with. How can I help you? And let's just help you grow. All right, guys. So it's been real. I'm about to get some sleep. I haven't slept all day, but I hope you guys have a good one. Check out the replay on Clubhouse, it'll be there. And I will see you on the next one. Peace.